If you don't know this rule, you cannot pronounce Korean smoothly, and I'm here to help. This video is going to help you so much in softening your pronunciation in Korean. So many students miss this point and then they're like, I don't know how to pronounce it softly or more like native in Korean. And let me just give you and let me simplify everything for you. You just need to know this one rule because this basically applies to every phrase that you'll say in Korean. And before I show you everything, make sure you subscribe and like my video because when you subscribe, you can see more videos in the future because I try to upload at least once a week for you guys. Okay, all in this YouTube channel. The rule is called the carryover rule. I actually named that myself because I like to name things and I like to simplify it. So brain's like, okay, the carryover rule. Okay, I get it. So I'm going to read the definition first and then I'll give you examples. So when you first hear it, when you don't get it, it's okay. The definition goes, if a syllable ends with a final consonant, there is a 받침 for some characters, and then your next syllable, you look at it, it begins with this character, the circle one. Then the 받침 from the first syllable will move to the second syllable. You're like, what do you mean, Aina? Can you show me? Of course, I'm going to show you. That's my specialty. So let's break it down together. Let's scroll down and look at the first example. This means I have something in Korean. So here, you're not just learning about pronunciation rule, you're also expanding your vocab. Isn't this amazing? If you have a notebook, you can bring it too so we can learn more actively. So then you hear it, you see this, and some people who are watching will be like, "It all you." That's because there is a 받침 here, and then that's a 받침. The second syllable starts with what? The circle consonant. And this consonant is silent in Korean. So I'm going to put it here for you. This consonant has no sound, especially when it comes in the beginning of the letter like this. Then it has no sound. Now, this 받침 sound can go to the next door. It carries over. Since the iung, the circle, has no sound, it can receive a sound from the previous syllable. Now, this will have a SS sound right here because this one originally is a SS. Now we can talk. The first syllable is silent, and then this vowel is E. So let's romanize it so I can break it down for beginners too. E, and don't pronounce this because it already went to the next door. E saw. Now this vowel is all. E saw. Third syllable is silent, and then we have a yo. That's a vowel to take care of. Now if you say it fast, 있어요, 있어요, 있어요. Notice how the s carried over to the second syllable. And that's why we call it the carryover rule. And that only applies when there is a 받침 on the first syllable or the middle syllable. Doesn't matter. When there's a 받침 and the next syllable has this iung, silent character. Isn't this such an amazing rule to keep in mind when you speak Korean? So don't robotically just say it all yo. Like don't chop it all separately. But 있어요. Smoothly pronounce it. That's why sometimes you wonder, wait, I thought it's written like that, but why is it like said it differently? It's because of this carryover rule. And of course, there are other assimilation rules that I'm not going to go over all here. But just know that this is probably the most important assimilation that I want to teach you. Let's look at other examples so you can familiarize this rule to the core, okay, when you see anything in the future. Next example here is I laugh in present tense. I already conjugated this. Then our first syllable, look at it. We have a 받침. And then we start with what? Silent character, the next syllable. Then we can apply the carryover rule. The first syllable, let's break it down. It's a silent character, and I can just decode that vowel as a oo, right? Oo. And this goes to the next syllable, so let's cancel it out for our sound. Oo's, that's a S character. And this vowel is all. And then this one, just like the previous word, it's 요. 웃어요. Not 웃어요. 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 I smile. It means I smile or I laugh in present tense. 웃어요. Say it with me. Smooth. Smooth like butter. 웃어요. 웃어요. There you go. Isn't it so cool? Is this eye-opening? Let me know in the chat, in the comments. This is eye-opening. If this is your first time learning about our carryover assimilation rule, because I would love to show you all these eye-opening things in Korean. Other examples I brought, I wear. This is also present tense. It comes from originally 입다, and I changed that to present tense. 입어요, but we have a 받침. Next door starts with what? Silent character again. So we're going to carry over this sound to next door. It starts with silent character. So look at the vowel only. That's going to be I. E, E, E. It's a narrower sound. More close to E when you say it. E. Now, the B went to next door for pronunciation. So I'm going to put B next door. And it's going to be with the vowel all. 입어, and then this again, yo. Oh, Korean in polite tense, we just say yo, yo, yo at the end. Everything yo, 안녕하세요, 얼마예요. Everything is yo ending. And then you can drop the yo for casual speech too. So then, let's say it smoothly together. 입어요, 입어요, 입어요. You wear something. 자켓을 입어요, right? So whenever you wear something, you can use this word in present tense. Let's continue on. Now you got pretty comfortable. Let me show you how you can carry over when there's two carryovers at a time. Maybe three. Oh, this one, two, two. Okay? So this one, you notice how it's a 4-syllable. It's a past tense of eat. 먹었어요. How is it not 먹었어요? Well, because there is a 받침, and then it starts with silent character, right? And there is a 받침, and then it starts with another silent character next door. Oh my goodness. Can we handle this? If you can, give me, ooh, yeah, I see you. Ooh. That's how we do it. First syllable, it's a m consonant, so put m. And then we have a o vowel, so put o. Now there is a 받침, but that 받침 is gonna go to next door. Remember? So let's give it to the next door. That's a g consonant. And then we are going to attach it with the o. But hold on, there is a 받침 to take care of, but we have a iung syllable again, so that goes to next door. Double S. Let's attach it with the vowel all, and this last one is yo. Wow! Now pronounce it like a native Korean. 먹었어요. 먹었어요. Smooth like butter. Again, 먹었어요. 먹었어요. Do you understand how carryover can happen anytime? Not just once, but when there is all of this happening 2 times. Okay? And the more you say it with this carryover, the more comfortable you'll become with this role. And the reason why for all of this is not just for the sake of role. It's to really make our speech easier, right? If you say 먹었어요, it's hard to chop it like that in our mouth. But if you just go 먹었어요, our speech is a lot easier to our tongue, our mouth. So assimilation happens to make our lives easier, not to make it harder. So don't think, wait, why is it so hard? Why do we have to have this rule? It's because it's easier for you the more you practice. For example, like in English, like you say, I got you. No, you don't say that. I got you. I got you. So you assimilate that pronunciation like that too. Okay? So all of this is so important when you pronounce Korean words because most likely every phrase you'll need to carry over some pachims to next door. So you try this one last time. I received. This is a past tense. You try it without my help in your notebook. Can you try it? Go ahead. Where is your assimilation happening? Circle it. Give me some arrows. Okay? You circle this one, and then you see the ing consonant. Yep, that's silent. So that will carry over right here. Okay, you see another one, and then this one starts with the silent character. You're doing a really good job. I'm seeing you. Teachers have 8 eyes, they say. They have eyes in the back, eyes on the side. They have all side. I see you. It's through the screen. I'm here with you. Okay? So that would be then pa, right? This is a b, a, and this goes to next door, ta, and then this to next door, so, you. 받았어요. I received. What did you get? Oh, you got a 편지, letter. 편지 받았어요. I received a letter, a card. Wow, that's how you know why we sound so smooth when we say certain words because of the carryover rule with the 받침 going to the next syllable. Not always, though. Just remember that 받침 will carry over only when the next door starts with a silent character, not like all characters. So remember that's very important. Silent character can hold that. And now we're going to scroll down just a little bit. Here, you might have other questions like, I know when you read, is it like L sound, R sound? When it comes to reading and pronouncing Korean, I feel like there are so many questions. And I've taught thousands of students, so I have gathered some important questions and common questions that I get all the time. Like, is this character B or P? Or why does G sometimes sound like K and G? Or why is who sometimes silent? Do I pronounce both consonants in double 받침? Because there are double 받침s too. And whoa, they look the same. Are they really different? You know, all these confusion. I get it. So I came up with a whole course called Read Korean Like a Pro. Although I named it Read Korean Like a Pro, in this course, I help you with pronunciation because the basics of Korean is the alphabet, right? From knowing the consonant sounds and vowel sounds, double vowels, 받침, all of this becomes your stepping stone and your foundation. And from there, you learn to expand your vocab. And when you see the vocab, you're like, oh, I know how to read that. I know how to say that. I know how to speak it, right? And from that foundation, you learn to also build sentences on your own. So this, if you're a complete beginner, I highly recommend it. We have about 40 videos inside. And then we also offer live support for students who ask questions there. Sorry. So much talking today. Questions there. We're here to answer your questions and support you in your journey. So if you're a complete beginner looking for a course, looking for support, I'm here for you. Highly recommend this Read Korean Like a Pro course if you are in this journey of learning to pronounce Korean, learning to read and write Korean. Okay, and I will have the link in the description, and I'll also have my website here just in case you want to browse other resources too. And if video course, oh, by the way, these are some modules that's inside. We have a bunch of videos broken down into small bites like consonant chapter, we have vowel chapter, double vowel chapter, combining basic consonants and vowel chapter. We have all about 받침, right? Carryover rule. Do you see it? One of them is carryover rule. Putting them all together so you guys can read anything that you see and pronounce it too. And if video course is not for you, you're like, let me just learn everything by books. I have books available too, so you guys can browse resources and support all on my website, and I'm here to help. I'm just so excited for your growth and being your teacher, right? And thank you for watching my video today, and I hope you learned a lot, and let's learn Korean together and grow together. All right, then you got this. I'll see you in the next video. 안녕.